Welcome to our virtual field trip. Let us start by getting into the maxi taxi as we go to Miss Jenny's garden, located at Guayco Tamana Road, Guayco. How many of you have been to Guayco? I wonder. Okay, so we have arrived at Miss Jenny's home. Welcome, boys and girls. My name is Miss Jenny. I would like to show you my vegetable garden. This is my vegetable garden. I have corn, cabbage, beetroot, but today I want to show you one of my favorite vegetable I grew and is happy to harvest this vegetable. I use this vegetable in most of my cooking. Come, let me show you. Do you know what vegetable are they? Yes, you are correct. They are carrots. They grow underground. The part we eat is where all the energy is stored and is called root vegetables. As you all know, they are orange in color and they grow in all sizes, such as big or small. They are eaten raw or cooked. Carrots is one of the healthiest vegetables you can have. One, it doesn't matter how you have it once you eat it. So try one today. So, boys and girls, I hope you had fun in the garden. I have some refreshments made from carrots, such as carrot punch and a homemade carrot cake. I hope you like it and thank you for coming to my garden. See you again.